If you want your partner to respond quicker and more engagingly to your text, there are ways to improve communication. Calling instead of texting can be more effective, but be patient if they're busy. Avoid sending multiple texts back to back if it may be overwhelming for them. You can also plan a phone call or in-person conversation if there's a lot you need to tell them. In a new relationship, you may want to test your partner's responsiveness by messaging only once or twice a day, to give them the chance to step up their game and take the initiative to text you more often. Keep conversations light over text and save serious topics for phone calls or face-to-face. Ask open-ended questions and end messages with cliffhangers to keep the conversation engaging. Set expectations for how you want to be communicated with and agree on texting rules that work for both of you. Remember, face-to-face interactions can provide a deeper connection than texting alone.